Wow, we can do this. We don't need anyone for this. How good.
2 hours well spent.
Oh, absolute. Great investment.
Welcome to my channel. I'm Rhonda, qualified carpenter of 11 years plus a 4-year apprenticeship where I won Apprentice of the Year multiple times. I have been a project manager on many house builds. I'm a wife, a DIY enthusiast and a mother of a 2, 3 and 4-year-old. Now, although I haven't spent much time out on building sites lately, I've definitely kept my foot in the game and my love for carpentry. Since falling pregnant with my first, we have entirely renovated a 3-bedroom house, had 3 babies, built an amazing deck, project managed a house build for a friend of mine who's in a wheelchair, worked with some VCAL kids to build a deck at a school, got engaged, moved house, hosted a wedding in our new house only 9 months after we moved in, where we not only tidied up the gardens, fixed up the tree house, built a deck for the altar, built a bar, built a stage, prepped all the food, gathered and arranged all my own flowers, designed my own dress, and hosted over 200 people. Fair to say we've kept busy. But now that we're in our new house and the wedding's over and the kids are at kinder, it's on to something new. Now I want to share what I have done or what I am doing with all of you, hoping that you can learn a thing or two along the way, inspiring you to do more for yourself. I will be heading into the homes of keen DIYers who want to level up some of their own DIY skills. I'll show them how to do particular things so that they can then finish jobs on their own. I will then film these lessons and create YouTube videos so that hopefully you guys can learn stuff along the way also. Thanks for watching. That's time for Tools Down. Don't forget to like and subscribe.